Hello YouTube, this is Jaybert1992. Welcome to your 14th C++ tutorial. In this tutorial I will be talking about arithmetic. So in order to do arithmetic, we're going to be adding two numbers together. Okay, so first of all we want to declare, let's just say our first number, num1, okay, and then we want to declare our second number that we're going to add together. You know what, let's just call them A and call them B. Well, there's actually another way you can declare multiple variables. So say you don't want to keep writing int. Well, say you want to declare multiple variables with the same data type, which in this case it's int. Well, what you can do is you can put a comma and then write all that you want, C, D, E, F, G, blah, blah, blah. And what this will do is it'll create an A int of type int, a B of type int, a D of type int, no C I guess, an E of type int, and F of G. For this tutorial we're just going to have A and B. You know what? Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, so now what we want to do is, let's just say, well, let's write, for now we're going to hard code, and then either at the end of this tutorial or at the beginning of the next tutorial, probably the beginning of the next tutorial, we'll have some user input. So let's just say right here that A, you know what? Yeah, A equals, let's just say 5, and let's just say B equals 15. Okay, now this is a valid statement. It's not going to print out anything to the screen. It's just going to set A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 15. So we both know from second grade that 15 plus 5 equals 20. Okay, so what do we want to do? Actually, let's have a C variable too. Or you know what? This will be answer. Okay, so let's just say answer equals A plus B. Okay, so the answer is 20, right? So now let's output some text. Let's label it first. So let's say A, and now let's say plus, and now let's say B. This is just so it looks nice on the screen, okay? Because it's going to actually print out what A is, and then it's going to just print the character, the plus sign, and then it's going to print out the actual value of B. And now let's do equals. And then let's do a space, and then let's have answer, okay, and then let's end that line. So what this is going to do is it's going to print out A plus B equals, and then it's going to spit out the answer. Now, we're not actually adding A and B together here. That's just output. You know what, we can even, yeah, we'll just leave it like that. We're actually, this is where the compute statements are. So let's just write a comment right in here and call this is the addition of A and B. Okay, so this is the addition of A and B. It happens right here. Okay, so let me go ahead and compile and run this. And 5 plus 15 equals 20. Okay, and if you guys are a little confused by how I did this A and the B thing, let me just change that to A plus B equals, and let me put a space in here, and it's going to be A plus B equals, and then it's going to spit out the answer. So let me go ahead and compile this. A plus B equals 20. The nice thing about the other way, let me undo everything, A plus B, is because what if we change this A and B? Well, let's change it to 40, and then let's change it to 2. Okay, so 42. Well, if you have it like this, it'll actually say 40 plus 2. Okay, so you can go ahead and compile and run. And 40 plus 2 equals 42. Okay, so it's kind of nice, instead of just having A plus B equals, it actually confirms like what they entered. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.